Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment and also subscribe. So guys, Usbindi Mseleku, who is Direlo's baby daddy slash boyfriend, has launched a new girlfriend. It is alleged actually, because he didn't say anything good. Hey guys, this is my person or something like that, but it is still alleged this is the new girlfriend, soon to be second wife, because Ugai said he is taking Utirelo as the first wife. So it is still alleged this is the new Mamncane, which is Sibindi Mseleku's second girlfriend. And people in the comment section were saying, okay, clearly, it's pretty clear, it's pretty obvious what he has a type. On a type, guys. On a type, you can look at Uvuyokazi, you can look at Tirelo, you look at the other one, you know, and then you look at this one, like body type wise. You know, some people were even saying he takes after his father, because the father he has a type. But yes guys, this is the new alleged girlfriend, and you know, girl looks cute. She looks so cute, guys, so beautiful, and she looks so innocent. Shame guys, in your I just wish her all the best, because that Sitembu is full of drama. This was the caption that Usbindi wrote. He said, "I bafana bakithi seningakusho enifuna ukukusho," meaning ukuthi yena he is the man, you know. People can say whatever that they want to say, but okusalayo, his word is his word. So yes guys, this is Mpumelelo's new alleged girlfriend slash Mamncane. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one.